Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. As you should already know if you watch our 60-second series on a regular basis, you can increase the playback speed of videos to double speed. But this raises an interesting question. Does playback speed affect watch time? Or to put it another way, does watching a 10-minute video at double speed give you 10 minutes or 5 minutes of watch time? In a recent video by YouTube guru Derral Eves, he says that you would get 5 minutes. So let's put this answer to a very simple test. This is a brand new 18-minute video set to private with no views. So what I'm going to do is watch the whole thing through at double speed and then check back on the analytics in a couple of days. Fortunately, you don't have to wait that long, so here are the results. There's our single view on an 18-minute video played at double speed, which results in 9 minutes of physical watch time. Furthermore, the audience retention comes in at exactly 50%. So bear this analytical curveball in mind and let us know what you think of how YouTube records this data.